Hello guys, welcome back to the Trust Kikaku YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to do a quick overview of the new US warehouse. For those of you that don't know, Trust Kikaku just opened up a US storefront called TKGT Cars. The goal is essentially going to be the same as Trust Kikaku. We're going to try to sell a lot of JDM car parts, specifically Skylines, GTRs, things like that. Eventually, we do want to also import vehicles. We're hoping to start getting some GTRs here very soon. It's just with, everything going on with the supply lines and, figuring out container situations and import documentations, things like that. It's definitely going to take a little bit of time, but we're getting there. We're getting everything situated. We're getting the right people where they need to be. And hopefully soon enough, we'll be able to bring all those cool JDM cars over here. In the meantime, we do have a lot of parts available for you guys. I know it's getting really difficult to find Skyline parts in the US, but we're one of the few distributors that is based right here in California. It makes shipping a lot easier than it is from Japan. If you guys have tried to order parts directly from Trust Kikaku to the United States, or even to say the Middle East or UK, a lot of European countries, the shipping can get pretty pricey. So having a branch in the US kind of helps ease that pain a little bit for our customers, makes it easier for you guys to order. And if you guys are located in California or close enough where you wouldn't mind driving down to the warehouse, we do offer in-person pickup. We'll have the items ready for you guys and take it out to you curbside, help you load it in your cars, your trucks, whatever you guys bring. So yeah, it's been a really cool experience setting everything up, getting situated, getting to meet some of the local car people, some of the local car clubs, Skyline clubs. We've met a lot of really passionate people, a lot of really passionate, fans, passionate people in the automotive community, and it's just been really cool to see everybody come together to show us support. So huge thank you to everybody who's been supporting us at TKGT Cars and at Trust Kikaku. And without further ado, here's the warehouse tour. Hi guys, and welcome to the first video from TKGT Cars USA. We are a wholly owned subsidiary of Trust Kikaku out in Japan. As you guys know, they're a big exporter of JDM parts and cars. This is a warehouse that we're currently working out of, ready spaces. So when you guys come to pick up your parts, or in the future when we have our showroom and you guys come see it, this is where we'll be at. Hi, welcome to our warehouse. We're still in the process of setting up. So in the future, we hope to have a showroom here where our customers could walk in and see any parts that they ordered or that they want to check out before purchasing. Later on, I'll show you guys our current option for warehouse pickup up at the front of the lobby. After you guys place your orders online, we pick up your items and then we bring it here to the packing station where we make sure that we prep everything and make sure everything's safe to ship. Once we package it and box it up, we wait for our shipping carrier and we like to ship out within 3 business days. Okay, so this is our parts section. For our first shipment, we mostly brought in a bunch of Nissan OEM parts and Nismo parts, including Nismo Heritage parts that a lot of dealerships here in the US wouldn't be able to get. So a couple examples of just, Nismo parts. This is an intake corrector kit. Down here we have a titanium strut tower kit for the BNR 32. Some Nismo Heritage parts that we brought over. Right here we have wash tank for your washer fluid on the BNR 32. Down over here we even have a couple of cylinder heads for the RB26. We did just get our container with a bunch of new parts for you guys. We're working really hard to get everything listed, but we did get a lot of really cool stuff. We've got a R33 N1 block here, RB26. Got a bunch of cool Nismo parts for you guys, a couple 5-speed transmissions, a couple 6-speed transmissions, GTR seat covers, so we're trying to organize everything for you guys, trying to get everything listed as soon as possible so you guys can get to ordering. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick tour on everything we got. We got a bunch of wheels this time, which is really cool. Here, I'll show you guys over here. These are LMGT4s. Really cool stuff here, right? Awesome. We've also got, let's see here, these apart 3 wheels if I remember right. Yeah, this is super cool stuff. For our future containers, we want to ask you guys what you guys want to see brought over, so you guys can leave a comment down below. Let us know what you want. Shoot us a message on Instagram. Send us an email at info@tkgtcars.com. Once you guys come into the front door, you'll be asked to sign in on this tablet right here. You just go ahead and tap. You sign in, visitor, you fill out your information. Just do a little test here. Take a picture. And for me, this is very important, guys. So just go ahead and type out our company name, TK space GT Cars USA. Click on it here, accept, and then go ahead and send us that notification. We'll get notified on our system, and then we'll come out and greet you here with your parts. So for now, we are only shipping domestically to the United States. We plan to expand by shipping to Canada and then internationally as we grow. We also plan on bringing in JDM cars a couple years in the future. So your Skylines, your GTRs, and other JDM vehicles that you guys might want to see here in the US. So hope you guys enjoyed that quick warehouse tour. Like I said, we're still trying to get everything set up and situated, but we're getting closer every day. So thank you guys for supporting us at TK GT Cars and Trust Kikaku. Catch you guys in the next one.